Technically, I have to apply to college this year. Like, what is gonna happen to this when I go to college? Because I think I want to go at least like an hour away, at most 3 hours.
Where are we right now? We're at
Burgess.
You were in UPitt looking at colleges for Amber.
Because I'm highly considering going to Pitt next year.
What else are you highly considering?
My braces are killing me.
I guess we'll find out.
Hey guys, I have a question.
Yeah.
Comment if I should go to California. I'm being serious right now.
Going into this whole week, I've been like, wow, Pitt's my top school. Before that, I didn't know where I wanted to go, and then I realized Pitt has my major. We have family here. It's a fun city, and I was like, this is perfect. It's 8 hours away from our home, though, which is kind of wild. If you're gonna go 8 hours away, why don't you just go to California? There's no point of going to college somewhere cold. Like, why would you stay somewhere cold when you could just like be so much happier where it's like warmer?
In California, we are at Chapman University, walking around the campus. Look at those palm trees, Ashley.
I'm going to be a freshman at Chapman University this fall in Orange County, California.
Hello, everyone. It's move-in day.
That cheese? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you guys have something like this in New York?
Right? Sometimes I'm really like impulsively dangerous. I already talked about this. Yeah. I'm always like, what if I just
Pull out and then go this way.
dip me?
Oh man, really? Okay, wait. Banana? You know what scares me more? The fact that the camera's on it more than
It's just like one more
God.
bump, bro.
Oh, hey.
when it's really the earth turning. What?
What?
Why do you call it?
Ancient people are dumb.
Oh, that's kind of true.
Yeah.
He said, why do you call it a sunrise when it's really the earth turning? It should be a...
Yeah, so if anything, it's like, let's tilt us over it. Like,
yeah,
Earth,
yeah,
what the
right?
fuck you doing?
Wait,
The Earth's
what?
late this morning. You know what I mean?
Yeah, the earth, yeah.
Morning earth turn.
Oh my god, morning. Let's make that a thing.
Yeah, morning.
Instead of sunrise? Yeah, you wanna go
Nighttime
look at
earth
the
turn.
morning earth turn?
That kind of sounds nice.
Actually, right?
Yeah.
Sounds quirky.
Quirky, yeah.
Yeah, aren't you guys surprised like no one else is up here?
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Yeah, but a lot of people are unwilling to wake up.
Yeah. Or just
Like,
say,
we
I'm
never woke up.
Like I'm so surprised out of like how many students are here right now. No one
Like,
else.
no one else
pulled
got the
on
same
it,
idea,
or, like,
yeah.
Yeah.
It's almost there. Wait, never mind. I think I just have.
You jinxed it.
Yeah,
She
I
goes
did.
down.
She goes down.
Oh my god. The cheesecake. Yesterday she used
A cheesecake to hold
prop
up.
Wait, that's the cheesecake that I brought.
Wait, did you leave cheesecake up here?
Wait, what? So were the pancakes free?
I don't know.
From Denny's. Or did we end up paying for that?
No.
I don't think so. Did someone
Oh,
eat
it's
them?
coming.
Oh my god! Oh, that's so
Okay.
cool.
Wow, she's really pushing through right now.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Oh, she's blinding.
I think I saw you doing that and I was like,
I
like her energy. Yeah.
Wait, what? Ronnie.
Oh my god, no!
Shut your ass up, Alice.
Shut your
I'm trying to have fun.
Sophie, what are you doing today?
I'm piercing my ears.
Breathe out. I can't believe it. Yay! Is that it?
I feel like
Wait,
I
not
just
yet,
gave
not
birth. Is that blood?
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
No, Sophie, you're good. You're good.
You're good. Don't worry about it.
Why are they reacting?
Breathe in.
Oh my god.
Breathe out.
I can't believe it. Yay! Is that it?
Oh,
I feel like I
God.
just gave birth. Is that blood? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my. She's wiping out my blood.
No, but she.
Ooh, hey.
They're coming to here?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Third down.
Oh wait, I'm not in it. Hi, friends.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
He's hiding.
She said, oh hey. She couldn't contain her laughter. Can I have this cardigan?
Do you have it?